Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add cover to your videos in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, then you have to open your project, or if you want to start a new one, click on the new project option, and now you have to select from your gallery your video that you would like to edit. If not, click on the already added video, and now you should see near the mute option the cover option. Click on it, and now here you have several options. You can upload a cover for your video, or you can use templates. Here you can see some trending one, fashion, food templates. It's not a long list, but if you like one of them, you can select those as well. You can add text, and the edit cover. Here is the photo editor and AI art app, so you can use it if you would like that as well. But let's go back to the CapCut, and now I'm going to use one of the templates like this. Click on the save, and you should see here that the template was added to your video, and this is how it looks like this. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.